If you still spend hours on PowerPoint slides trying to generate the visuals manually and finding the perfect fit, this video is for you. Whether you're a content creator, a graphic designer, or you're organizing a presentation in your office, this can be very frustrating when you have to tweak font, change slides, and adjust other settings. So, what if I told you that there are AI tools that are programmed to assist designing slides? Well, actually, there are. We have tools like Gamma AI, Slides AI, and Canva, which can help you save a lot of time and reduce a lot of stress as well. At the end of this video, you will know how to use AI to design slides faster, include it in your workflow, and have better results. Let's go. So we are looking at Gamma AI for the first demonstration, and it is an AI that helps with presentation, web design, or any other project design. So we're just going to go into Chrome, and it's already open in my browser, gamma.app/create/generate. So we want to generate a presentation. We have 4 options here, which says presentation, web page, document, and social. So we want to create a presentation. We will enter presentation. Now, how many slides do you want to create? That's totally your option, but for this demonstration I'm just going to select 3 slides, alright, to make it simple and short. Then I'll paste in my prompt: create a slide about medical advancement with technology. I hit enter, and it will generate an outline for me for the presentation. So it has generated the outline, the first outline, the second outline, the third outline. The outlines are like the text or the topics for each page of the slides. Alright, so I'm going to click generate, and the AI will pick the outlines that it has recommended for me and generate the slide. So in under 30 seconds, in under 1 minute, you get a slide. So it has created the slide for me. I'm not going to scroll to the top, and you can see the future is now, how technology is revolutionizing medicine. So this is the first outline for the first page of the slide, the presentation slide that we have created. This is the second one, from AI diagnostics to robotic surgery, transforming patient care. And this is the third one, beyond the hospital, personalized health and preventative medicine through technology. So it has created the 3 pages of the slide just like I asked it to. You can click present to enter the presentation mode, and you can see you press the right arrow, it goes to the next slide, and so on. So I know what you're really thinking now is, how do I export this? You're just thinking, how do I download this to my page? So you will come here right next to the user button and click the 3 dots. The pop-up will open and you click export. You can click export to PDF, export to PowerPoint, or export as a PNG file. So I'm not going to export to a PowerPoint file because it's a PowerPoint slide. So it downloads should start automatically. If not, click here to download it, and that's how you generate a slide in under 30 seconds. So the next tool we're going to look at is Canva, and how to use it to generate slides faster. Now we're in Canva, we are going to use the AI model attached to Canva to generate a slide about artificial intelligence in 2026. So you can see at the left side of the page, describe your ideal design. So I'm just going to type generate a slide about artificial intelligence in 2026. So I will hit generate, and it will look at the prompt and generate the slide for me. So the design is ready. I'm just going to click the three dots here. Okay, I'm just going to select this and apply all 6 pages. So here we can see the slide has been applied to our design, the blank design that we opened. All right, you see the future is now artificial intelligence. We click the right arrow. Okay, we go to the second page about artificial intelligence, the third page artificial intelligence 2026, the fourth page artificial intelligence, the fifth page AI in healthcare, and the last page let's build it. So to export this, you can just click on file and click on download and select any format, whether it's PDF, PPTX, that is PowerPoint document file, MP4 video, or any other. So like we said, this is a PowerPoint presentation, and we click PPTX and we click download. So this will download and you will have your slide in less than 30 seconds. The next tool we are going into is Google Gemini. Right now we're in Google Gemini, made by Google from the name Google Gemini. So we're in Google Gemini and we are just going to ask about, we're going to create a slide concerning art with tech, how technology has advanced artists, and I click enter. Create a slide for me about art advancement with technology with 2 pages. So my slide deck has been created. So the slide will open in under 5 seconds, and here we have the slide 103, art advancement with technology, exploring how artificial intelligence, immersive mediums, and digital algorithms are revolutionizing artistic expression and human creativity. So this is very good. The second page, frontiers of art and tech, and so on. The third page, image sources. So this is a simple presentation because it's 3 pages. All right, I told you 2 pages, so it just gave me the last page with the image sources, which is recommended and good. So if you want to export this, you can just click the export button. All right, it has a sleek UI, so you can just see slides, PDF, or PPTX. So like I always said, it's a PowerPoint presentation slide. So in under 30 seconds, the slides will be generated. Including AI in your presentation, it's a very good choice for increasing your level of productivity and having better results. How much time do you spend on PowerPoint slides? Let me know in the comments below, and subscribe to Tech with Them for more tech tips that will help you get better results each day.